Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2024 Ford Focus ST Line X. Now of course this is the estate and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights and front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, I've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just up here. With this being the ST Line X, you do get the full electric opening tailgate. You've got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split, completely flat folding rear seats. You can also use the levers on either side just to fold the seats down flat, just to save you from walking to and from around the car. Then up top, tap the button and the tailgate will drop down, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full black leather interior with your red stitching. You've got ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside, we have your your DCT gearbox. We've got some of your drive select, max windscreen heating, auto stop start and park assist just there. Then we have your touchscreen display, which is where everything is controlled. You've got your quick access for your climate control settings. Then coming back out of here, we've got satellite navigation. We've also got your various media sources, as you can see here. So you've got FM, DAB, Bluetooth. Then over to the right, you come to your apps. You've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And then coming back again, you've got Bluetooth hands-free. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the top left-hand side. You've got your volume settings just below. Over on the right, you have your onboard computer settings to the top. Then just below, you have your voice assistant, track select, and Bluetooth hands-free. You've got your lane keep assist on your indicator stalk. And then coming over to the digital cockpit, as you can see in the left-hand side, this car has done 8,075 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford Focus, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.